Hello creatives, welcome to my channel, the Creative Cash Lab. My name is Tapiwa Temere, and on this channel I'm going to be teaching you various ways on how you can earn money online using only your smartphone and your internet. How good is that? I'm also going to be teaching you how to become a professional graphic designer using only your smartphone and your internet. And then on our graphic designing lessons, we are going to be using a software that is not even expensive. We are going to be using a software that you cannot pay money to use. We are going to be using PixelLab. If you go to Google Play Store, you will see PixelLab. Download PixelLab and come back so that we can learn together. And also, my viewers, please, I encourage you to subscribe on my channel and hit the notification button so that whenever I post my videos, you'll be the first ones to see them. And welcome to our very first tutorial on how to design a professional designer workspace flyer. Now let's go straight to Google. Graphic designer workspace HD. We need a blur something, so we need to go and choose blur on front of the HD is for high definition pictures. Now I can choose the one that I want. You can just choose from all the pictures. I press long press and then download image. Now it's then on our images. Now we have to go to our PixelLab. Let's go to PixelLab. This is the default page. Let's long press. We delete this one. Then on our left side you can see there are some settings. After the A sign there's this one. I'm going to press. I'm going to import. Let's go to import, and then I'll take one of these pictures. It's that one that I've downloaded, and then I'm going to use the aspect ratio of 1:1, right? And then I choose the side that I want to work with, like this, and then I press OK. I take this picture, I have to enlarge it, and then as you can see that it's moving. We are going to lock it when we are working so that it won't move. Right, I want to use it like this. I go to this settings, this key sign, I press it. When it's in red, it means it's now locked. After that, we have to put a mask on our background. So how do we put a mask? We have to go and find the shape. Let's go to that plus sign. We look for shape. Let's enlarge it. Let's go on our left side, on our right side, sorry. And then as you can see, after color there is gradient. Let's go on gradient. Let's press gradient. Then let's look for black and white. I need a black and white color, this one. And then we'll play the plus sign, and then you can see this U. We are going to press this U. After that, from my right side, we are going to move this last circle from those three rectangles. We are going to put it to our right like this, and then we press OK. When it's like this, we are done. We press OK. Let's go. Wow, this is it. This is the mask that I'm talking about. Now let's put our mask on place, and then after that we have to lock it again and lock our mask. After that we can now start to put some text. Let's go to this plus sign and say text. Now we can write whatever we want to write on this text, right? Let's go here. Let's say, are you starting a new business? In big letters. Are you starting a new business? We put a question mark and then it's done. Okay. And before we do this, let's put a shape. You see there is an option for shapes on my right side. Let's click shapes. I need to put a bright color. I'm going to choose this lime green because it's something that is going to make our flyer so nice and bright. we do it like this. Okay, now we take that text, are you starting a new business? Let's go and put it on top of that shape. Let's go to sizes so that we can play with the size and get what we are looking for, right? Are you starting a new business? Let's do it like this. Are you starting a new business? Let's go to position. We are going to use these arrows to move it. Okay, now it's going like this, so let's go and put it like on front to front. Yeah, and then we position it like this. Let's go and choose our color. Let's use black. Let's press OK. Now let's go and try to fix this size. Now let's go to our fonts. Let's go and find, I need to use Beber's New. Okay, and then size, let's increase it a little, yeah, like this. And then our position arrows, yeah, like this. Now let's go to the other section. Do you need a, okay, like this, we go with it. Let's go and find a font again. Let's go to the fonts. Let me go to the Geomanist family. Yes, let's use Geomanist book in bold letters. Graphic designer, we put a question mark again. Okay, let's go back to that Geomanist family on the fonts. Geomanist family. Let's use Geomanist black. Graphic designer, let's not put it in one line like this. Let's try to put it in 2 lines. Okay, now that we have put it in 2 lines, let's go and put another text again. Contact us on. Okay, done. Let's choose a color. Contact us on. Let me use this lime green again. Contact us on. Okay, now let's go to the fonts. Let's choose, let me use Beber's New again. +27 19 619503556. Okay, like this. Okay, this is our phone number. Now let's put a bold font on it again. Let's go and use that Beber's New again. Let's use the arrows to move it, to position it nicely. Like this. After this, that's fine. Tapping, chitemere, tapi chitemere. at all social media handles. Okay, and then we say done. Now we are done. Let's try to make it one line. At all media handles. That's right, like this. Now we need to play around with all these things and put them in place. So now we need to do this one and find the right size here, and then we put a bold one. Good, like this. Graphic designer, let's also use a better size. Like this. We are done. And then on our phone number, let's also try to increase the size a bit. Like this. We are good to go. And now let's try to align everything. We take our ruler. You see that our things are not aligning. Now let's go to, do you need a, we go to the position arrows and we put it in the correct line like this. Like this. Now we go to contact us. We have to move it like this. Contact us. Yeah, now it's on the right direction. We go to our phone number. Exactly. Social media handles, let's put it a little bit smaller. Done. Like this. Done. Okay, now this one, let's reduce it. Now like this, you can see that all our things are aligning well when you are using our ruler. Right, now let's remove it. Let's save our project and also import it. So for us to do that, we go straight to this one here, and then we do save as project. We give it a name, graphic designer workspace. Okay, done. After we have saved it, now let's go again here and say save as image, and then here we need to do it for the quality. We need to put ultra, the highest quality here, and then here we can say JPG, it's fine, or we can say PNG, and then we save to gallery. Now if we go to our gallery after this, we are going to find our image. So now we are done. If you go to our gallery, this is our designer, graphic designer workspace Flier. So please do your own, and then you come to the comment section. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. See you on our next video.